Hi guys, this is Celine from Quarry Package, and here today I would like to show you a different box for you. And this box is the whole pink box with some white logo on the outside. And so what the different from the other box, you can see this box is the double door open box. When you open it, you can see the inside designs, and here also have the EVA. You can put some your bottle or some toys, and here also have the pocket. You can put some like this, some cards inside to design your box. And so this box is for the bottle. Let me show you. You can put a bottle inside, so, and close it like this. And if you like this box, you can contact us. Bye bye.